Okay, hi everybody. This is a short video for my crazy lot. I promised every time that I would do a gift segment for you guys because you're just the best, like ever. So I love you, and here are the gifts that I received for my birthday, and I'm going to open this up for you. By the way, I had like the best birthday of my life. Like ever, like the bestest ever. So while I talk, I'm just going to open this out. ये आया है so cute. First of all, मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि क्यों गिफ्ट भेजते हो. I hope किसी ने कुछ भी expensive ना भेजा हो, because otherwise you couldn't get a pop. Like Shifa used to say, oh really, gold color? You're gonna give me a puppy? Okay. Oh, so nice. But ये आया किससे है? That's really sweet. I got earrings, really pretty earrings. La 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 la. So pretty. But ये आया किससे है? इसके ऊपर कोई नाम, कोई letter नहीं है. It says the VP store. VP store. Is this from the VP store for my birthday? That's really cute. Thank you very much. इसके ऊपर from का नाम नहीं लिखा हुआ है. So whoever it is who sent me this, other than VP store, please like DM me, okay? Oops. I'm gonna keep this here. Let's see ये किससे आया है. Huh? Oh wow, I have headphones. पर ये आया किससे है? Wow, I have my own headphones for my birthday. Yay! Oh, from GM Modular. Hey, this is from the live that I did for from Sukhmani. So yay, thank you so much. This is so cool, GM. GM. That's so cute. Thank you very much. Yay. Okay, great. So I have this. I'm gonna keep this here. ये किससे आया है? You know, मुझे scissors और ये सारी चीजों से काफी डर लगता है क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं हमेशा अपने आप को काट दूंगी. और होता भी है कई बार कि मैं अपने आप को काफी इंजर कर देती हूँ. So much I have to run around and try and remove. This is such a pretty box. Thank you so much. It says, hey Gaur, I hope you enjoy wearing our creation. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Lots of love and hugs in abundance. Love always. Okay, it's from Elan Just. Okay, that's cool. Wow, there's so much of a mess that I'm making, but I love this. This is so cool. Oh, yay. I love night suits. Woohoo! Thank you so much, Elan. This is lovely. Sara kachra niche fekh do. Okay, this is from Tina. Tina, thank you so much, my little cutie. Tina runs my fan page called Gauhar's Cafe, and oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my God, why did you have to spend money? This is really sweet. Thank you so much. थप्पड़ चाहिए? थप्पड़ क्यों भेजा इतना महंगा? This is so pretty. I love it. Yay! I'm gonna wear it. And do you know this birthday, like on the night that I was bringing in my birthday, it was so special for me also because I was wearing the gifts from last year. So I wore the top that was sent from by Madiha, if I'm not wrong. I think Madiha had sent me that from Pakistan, the blue top. And the skirt was given by Tadbir. And I never ever like miss out on anything that's sent to me. I always make sure I wear it. And since my birthday was such a special day for me, and imagine it was like my most special birthday ever, and I wore the gifts that my crazy lot gave me. So I'm so happy about that. I hope you guys noticed that and you'll love that. And I love this this anarkali and the pant with it. And I'm definitely going to wear it. I love you, Tina. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to keep this here. Right close to my heart. Now this is sent by Shilpa Odedra. Just the sweetest girl. Made an effort. So sweet she is. Thank you so much, Shilpa. Oh, my crazy lot is just like the best ever. Like the trend that you guys did and all the efforts on my birthday to make it so special. Just the best. Just the best you guys are. And I don't miss out anything ever. I know you guys were trending. I know you all were like making all the efforts possible. I love you all so much. Ghost hug! Yay! Hug, 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 hug. Thank you. You can't feel it, but it's there. Of course I can feel it, Shilpa. I feel it right here in my heart. I love you. Being a fan doesn't mean being there from the start. It means being there until the end. Happy birthday, Gaur. I know, Shilpa. I know you were late to join in into my pagalpan of the love that I get. But I know you and I love you so much. And thank you for joining in no matter when. Like you said, it's always about just having love forever. And I love you forever. This is really sweet. Thank you so much. Such a doll. I love packings. This is so cute. Aww. She's giving me a silver pendant. Such a pretty pendant. Can you see it, guys? And chain. Yay, I'm definitely gonna wear it. I love it. It's so pretty. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, this is so pretty. Thank you. This is so pretty. It's a bracelet or an anklet and it's so pretty. Thank you so much. I love it. I'm definitely gonna wear it. Thank you, Shilpa. So sweet. And then there is this pagal ladki, Brinda. Brinda happened to meet me at an airport once and I didn't know that she will turn out to be this crazy and will join my crazy lot because she followed me right from Bigg Boss, but she didn't know how to like join in. But then there she was, met me at an airport once and she's really crazy, guys. Like crazy good, crazy. Yes! This is... Oh my god, I love it. So nice. Oh, she knows I love crockery. All of my crazy lot knows everything that I love. Jewelry, clothes. This is so pretty. Thank you. I love it. I love it. I just don't want to break it. Oh, wow. My god, how pretty is this cup? So cute. Thank you. There is a bowl of the same set. Oh god, Brinda, you're crazy. Alright, so I love you guys. Thank you for sending in everything. I cannot even thank you guys enough. Everyone who sent the cakes, everyone who sent blessings, everyone who sent flowers. Tadbir, I got your cake and your flowers. Thank you so much, darling. Thank you to every single person who wished me and blessed me with their love and prayed for me. And the most special things are when you guys sent me messages with so many prayers, like heartfelt, like कोई जब किसी अपने को दुआ देता है ना तो वो उस किस्म की दुआएं मुझे मिली है. एंड आई कैन नॉट टेल यू, आपकी जितनी भी दुआएं हैं ना, I'm gonna cry. आप लोगों की इतने सालों की जितनी भी दुआएं हैं ना, सीरियसली आई थिंक that's everything that's making my life so beautiful for so many years, ever since Bigg Boss. And I can't thank you guys enough. So I love you all so much. Raman, everybody who runs fan pages, Bella, Dia, so many, so another Dia, oh my god, Nayan, everybody, I don't even know how many names I'm missing out, Rosh, you know, there's so many of you guys, and I know all of you by your names. Suneha for always, standing by, and I cannot even begin to tell you how much I need to thank Allah for all your love and your continued love. And it doesn't matter whether you're new or you're old, or whether how we've had ups and downs, but something that is constant is just like your love for me, and I love you guys so much. You know what the best part is? The best part is how you represent me. The way, Pallavi, everybody, I can't even tell you how many people from Pakistan, from India, from Bangladesh, from all over the world, from UK, from Australia, from America, everybody who gives me their love. I can't even tell you, the one thing that's amazing is how you guys represent what I believe in, and how everyone has changed their way to tweet, their way to talk, their way to show their disagreement in the best possible manner. And that is what has changed my life, that I could affect people in a positive way and give them love and joy and just spread happiness and give them the confidence to stand up for what's wrong, but do it in the correct manner, do it with respect, and do it with the right words. I love you guys for never abusing. I love you guys for always standing up for the right. I love you guys for always standing up for me no matter what. The prayers, the love, the understanding, I can go on. But thank you so much. I love you all so much. May Allah bless each and every one of you for everything that you guys do for me. I'm just truly the most fortunate person, and I have a big surprise for you guys. So don't worry. We're in for some big, crazy, amazing things. So watch out for this space and keep following me and supporting me and just giving me your love. Unconditional love, the way I don't even know what I did to deserve it, but thank you, I appreciate it so much. I love you. Mwah! Bye! Happy birthday to me!